Alright, so let's check our synonyms that we did today. So you can see the vocabulary words are next to our synonym football page. So we're going to write a good vocabulary word that can go with the synonym on the football. So announce was your first one. So if you look over at your words, which vocabulary word means to announce something?
Declared.
Good. Declared. So declared can go on the first football. Okay. Freezing. What one of our vocabulary words meant really cold or freezing? Aaliyah? Right there.
Frigid.
Frigid. Good. Okay, scurry. Scurry. So it was part of the definition, wasn't it?
Feast.
No, it wasn't. Scurry means to move quickly. So what's another word that means to move quickly?
Scampered.
Scampered. Good. Stare. If you're staring at something, what's another word we could use? Kelsey?
Gaze.
Gazed. Very good. So gazed means to stare or look steadily at something. Okay? Plunge. Plunge. What'd y'all get for that one? Evangeline? Heaps? No. Plunge means to like jump down in or go down. Up and down. What'd you get, Kelsey?
Cloud.
Plowed?
Ms. Volker, I didn't do it because I didn't know what to do except write the sentence.
Oh, that's okay. Well, that's why we're going over it now.
Plunge, is it cloud or no?
Plowed? Plowed means to move through, over, or across in a forceful and steady way. Yeah, that would work. Plunge and plowed. Drift.
Drift?
Javea. Can you see it? No. W-A-F-T-E-D. Wafted.
Wafted.
To move lightly through the air, kind of drift. Is that what y'all got?
Yes.
Was that one hard?
No.
To move lightly through the air kind of means to drift. Drift means you're kind of floating. Mound. What do you think, Allie? A mound is like a big pile, right?
Yes. Heaps.
Heaps. Very good. Or a heap. Yearly. Yearly meaning happens every year. Evangeline? Did you find it? Right here?
Yeah.
Annual. Good. Okay, in a sentence, choose a word to write in a sentence. Okay? What sentence did you use, Kelsey?
The principal announced The Pledge of Allegiance.
The Pledge of Allegiance. But where is that word? We didn't use that word on here.
Oh, announce right here.
Oh, announce. Okay.
I didn't know what to do.
You had to say declared. So your vocabulary word. Choose a word to write in a sentence, meaning your vocabulary word that we wrote on the footballs. So you could have said, what do we do every year? What's something that we do annually?
The turkey trot.
The turkey trot. So you could have said, I am so excited for the annual turkey trot. So annual means that we do the turkey trot every year. Okay? Okay, real quickly before we go to specials, we're going to go over fragments and complete sentences. Okay? So I'm going to read a couple things to you, and I want you to tell me if it is a fragment or a complete sentence. So a fragment means it's not a complete sentence.
Oh, I thought it meant like something that came from the sky. No, wait, no, that's what it means.
Okay, listen. So we're going to do a couple of practice problems. So fragment means it's not a complete sentence, and you'll be able to tell the difference here in a second. Which sentence is a fragment? She put salt in the soup or amuses the young children. So fragment would be the second one because amuses the young children. Does that sound like a complete sentence?
No.
No, so it's a fragment. Which is a complete sentence? The bird has a sharp beak or a strong, bold girl.
A strong, bold girl.
That's a complete sentence?
Yes. No. No.
So if I wrote on my paper a strong, bold girl, that would be a complete sentence.
No.
No.
It's complete. That's what we said.
We want the complete sentence. The bird has a sharp beak. Is that a good complete sentence?
No. Yes. That's a good complete sentence.
Yes. Good. Which is a complete sentence? The warm blue blanket or ants attacked our picnic? Good. Which is a complete sentence? Bats are the only flying mammals or an empty silver bucket?
Bats are the only mammals.
Flying mammals. Very good. That's a complete sentence. Which is a complete sentence? He drew an arrow on the sign or Aunt Barbara's heavy baggage.
Ooh.
He drew an arrow on the sign. Put a thumbs up if you think that one's complete.
Can we come up there and
If
tap it?
you think it's Aunt Barbara's heavy baggage, put a thumbs up then. No. Okay, so it was the first one. Good.
Can we come tap it?
If we have more time, I would let y'all go up there and tap it, but we're trying to just do a few examples real quickly. Which is a sentence fragment? So remember, fragment means it's not a complete sentence. The mayor will visit her school or announces her exciting plan. Which one's the fragment? Announces her exciting plan?
B.
Good.
B.
You can say one or two. So 1, 2. Which is a complete sentence?
B.
I haven't read them yet. Let me read it first. We're looking for the complete sentence. Canada is in North America or the next baseball game. Hold up a 1 if you think that one's complete, or hold up a 2 if you think that one's complete. Okay, good. The first one is a complete sentence. Is this a complete sentence? Yes or no? A bag of beans.
No.
Good. Thumbs down. Is this a complete sentence? Amazes everyone around him. Amazes everyone around him.
No.
No. Good.
It confuses us.
Is this a sentence fragment? So fragment means it's not complete. Sold the black coat. Is that a fragment?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's just do this one.
Which is a sentence fragment? 1 or 2? So fragment, you're looking for something that's not a complete sentence. Arrived at the beach. The cook always wears an apron. So number 1 is a fragment. Good. Arrived at the beach. Okay, last one. Which is a sentence fragment? No one lives on that small island. Or a beautiful desert in the middle of the country. Which one is a fragment? Good, Gregory. Good, Brandon. Good, Aaliyah. Number 2 is not complete. A beautiful desert in the middle of the country. Is that a complete sentence?
Yes. No.
No. It's not complete. So is it a fragment?
Yes.
Yes. So fragment means it's not a complete sentence. Okay. So now what you're going to do, you're going to do the same thing the kids on remote learning are doing. We're going to go into our Seesaw account and we're going to pick the one that says sentence first fragment. And your job is to look at the sentence and decide if it's a complete sentence, then you would put it over in this jar where it says sentence. If it's not complete, then it goes over in the jar that says fragment. Okay? Any questions before we start? Kelsey.
I already did it and I submitted it. I don't know if it's right now.
Okay, I will come check. Anything else about what to do? Okay.